Students, this is Rose here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share with you some important topics of speaking September to December 2020. I will provide you very important topics, right? So I hope this video will definitely help you for your exams and you can able to score good bands, right? So please note down in your notebook. The first important topic is talk about something that created noise Second topic, describe lyrics of the song that you remember well. Number third, describe a time when you were surprised to meet a friend. Fourth topic, ये वाला थोड़ा पुराना भी है बट लेकिन आ भी सकता है, दोबारा से रिपीट भी हो सकता है. अभी आ रहा है बच्चों को, सितंबर में भी आया है अभी पीछे. डिस्क्राइब एन ओकेजन describe an occasion when you wasted your time Students, please note down. In the next video, I will provide you samples of these cue cards so that you can get the idea how to speak your cue card, right? How to express your ideas in front of the examiner. So please note down. Okay guys, I would like to raise now first two cue cards I am going to raise. The next is describe a person who helps others in his or her spare time. Cue card number 5th, cue card number 6th. Describe a line that you remember from a poem or from a poem or song. Very important cue card. Seventh, describe a family which you like and are happy to know. If you have any doubt, students, regarding the cue cards, you can ask me in the comment box, right? I will definitely give you guidance or tips regarding this. Please note down. I think if you have these cue cards, no need to buy PDFs. These are very important topics, right? So these cue cards will definitely help you for your exams. I'm going to raise fifth cue card. मेरे पास जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो मेरे को बोलते हैं कि मैम हमें जो है सितंबर टू दिसंबर की क्यू कार्ड्स की जो लिस्ट है वो प्रोवाइड कर दीजिए, तो उन्हीं के लिए मैंने वीडियो बनाई है ताकि उनको क्यू कार्ड्स में कोई दिक्कत ना आए, क्योंकि बच्चों को बड़ी प्रॉब्लम आ रही है और वो सर्च कर रहे हैं कि कहाँ से हमें कोई क्यू कार्ड्स मिल जाएं। तो ये क्यू कार्ड्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हैं, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट, एट्थ, डिस्क्राइब अ राइटर you would like to meet. You would like to meet. Cue card number 9. Describe something you like during the winter. Now I'm going to erase seventh. Cue card number 10. Describe a time when you saw children behaving badly in public. Right, this is the new card, new cue card. Next, 11th, topic number 11th. Describe a conversation conversation topic you were not interested in. You were not interested in. please note down, or you can take the screenshot.